medical students. The policy that was passed in 2025 was meant to be implemented June 2026 this year. However, when the ministry started the implementation, the policy met two resistances, and one resistance was about the difference in the pay allowances of medical students who are for their internship. You are aware that the government students who are interns in various universities, that's about 77 accredited universities in this country. We got resistance number one on the pay. Those on government sponsorship were earning 1.268, and after taxes, you are aware the government sponsored students were taking home 1 million shillings, and the privately sponsored students had a take home of 483,000, a difference of about 520,000 shillings. That caused the resistance from the intern students, medical intern students. Another area of resistance was the policy proposing that you only graduate after the 5 years. You must go for internship of 1 year, then you graduate after. That also met resistance. Therefore, the cabinet resolution that we came up with yesterday, one, cabinet agreed and resolved, effective this month of August till end of the year, all the doctor internship students, whether private or government sponsored, will be paid the same amount of allowance of 1 million shillings.